Hey everybody, let's talk about how you can use Google Drive for Desktop to organize all of your files as though it's part of your desktop and located inside of your Finder. What you're going to do is you are going to download something known as Google Drive for Desktop just by Googling it and going to the site and clicking on Download Drive for Desktop. Now I'm using Google Chrome for this, so I can monitor the progress of the download in the bottom part of my window. If you're using Safari, you can monitor from the top near the URL bar, or you can just click on the downloads area of your Finder and locate the package. You'll just click to open that, and then you'll click through each of the steps to install. It will eventually ask you for your school password. That's the password you use to unlock your MacBook, and that will finish the installation process. It may take up to about 30 seconds for the entire installation process to work through the steps. Once it's finished, it'll prompt you to close the window, and then you can move that package to the trash. Now that this is installed, you could find it in your Finder by clicking on Finder and Applications, or in the bottom of the screen, you can click on Launchpad. When you click on Launchpad, you'll discover there's a Google Drive icon, and you can click on it and log in. Here, you're going to want to log into your school email address and give it access. Now that you've approved access, you'll notice that there's a Google Drive icon that's beginning to load in the upper part of your screen. You'll be able to now access your Google Drive from your Finder. So if you click on the Finder in the lower left-hand corner, you'll notice under Locations that Google Drive is now present. And when you click on it, you'll see your drive from the web, as well as any shared drives that you have with access to all of your documents. Now that you've got everything loaded, it's time to start moving files from your hard drive of your MacBook into your Google Drive. The easiest way I found to do that is to open two Finder windows by going to File, New Finder window, locating the file you want to move, and then just dragging that onto your Google Drive for Desktop. Once that starts loading, you'll get prompted to say that it's actually moving the file. So it's removing the file from your hard drive and putting it into your Google Drive. So it's only accessed through your Google Drive from now on. So you can check to make sure that it ended up in your Google Drive by swiping over to a browser window and opening it there. But from now on, you'll be able to go to Google Drive and Finder, navigate to the drive that it's in, and open the file. It'll download it right to your computer for you to access and edit and do whatever you need to. If you have questions, let me know.